Welcome to my channel Learn and Earn with Naffa.
If you want to start an online business in 2025 without showing your face, spending big money, or having experience, this video is your shortcut.
Today, I'm going to show you 7 free AI tools that anyone can use to create, automate, and grow a faceless business. From video creation to content writing to design, these tools can turn your skills, or even zero skills, into online income. Stick with me till the end because tool number 7 is a game changer. Let's get started. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, video scripts, emails, and even entire ebooks. You don't need to be a writer, just give it a prompt. Example: write a 500-word article on the benefits of mindfulness. Boom, done in seconds. Use ChatGPT to offer freelancing services on Fiverr and Upwork like
blog writing, ad copy, email marketing. It's fast, it's free, and it makes you look like a pro. Tool number 2 is Canva with its built-in AI features.
Canva helps you create stunning social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, digital products, and more. With magic design and text-to-image, Canva's AI speeds up your design workflow. You can sell Instagram post packs, digital planners, thumbnails for other creators, ebooks and infographics.
Combine it with ChatGPT and you can build full content packages.
Tool number 3 is Pictory. Pictory lets you turn text into video without showing your face. Just paste your script and it automatically adds stock footage, subtitles, voiceover, optional.
You can create YouTube automation videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok posts.
Many faceless creators use Pictory to build full YouTube channels without recording anything themselves.
Tool number 4 is Leonardo AI.
This is a next-gen AI art generator. You describe a scene and Leonardo creates it. Use it to generate logos, thumbnails, print-on-demand designs, game and book illustrations. If you want to start a merch business, sell AI art on Etsy, or design custom YouTube art, this is your secret weapon.
Tool number 5 is Opus Clip. Have a long video or podcast? Opus Clip finds the best moments and turns them into TikToks, Shorts, and Reels.
Perfect if you want to repurpose content, run a faceless Shorts channel, sell short-form editing as a service. It automatically adds captions, cuts boring parts, and even scores how viral your clips might be.
Tool number 6 is Copyai.
This tool helps you write everything from product descriptions, emails, Instagram captions, website copy. It's designed for marketers, creators, and e-commerce sellers. You can create an entire digital brand just by mixing Canva and Copyai. Use it to build landing pages, run ads, or create SEO-friendly content.
Tool number 7 is Notion AI.
Most people think Notion is for notes, but the AI inside is a productivity and business system builder. Use it to build client workspaces, manage a content calendar, write social media content, automate your workflow. You can create and sell Notion templates, manage your faceless business, and track income all in one dashboard.
So those were 7 powerful, free AI tools to start your faceless online business in 2025.
Let's recap. ChatGPT for content, Canva AI for design, Pictory for videos, Leonardo for graphics, Opus Clip for shorts, Copy.ai for marketing, Notion AI for productivity. Checkmark: you don't need money, a camera, or experience. Just focus and... Which tool will you start with? Let me know in the comments. Speech balloon, like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Earn with Naffa for more AI-powered income ideas.